Advancements in prosthetic technology continue to amaze me. We've seen everything from 3D printing low-cost limbs to advanced robotics being incorporated into new designs. What struck me in this new work from Swiss Federal Institute of Technology and SensArs Neuroprosthetics was when they used the word merge. Researchers are currently conducting clinical trials of a bionic limb. One of the test subjects lost his leg in a motorcycle accident. Now, because of this novel neuroprosthetic leg technology, he can feel his leg and foot as if it were his own. According to the researchers, the difference is the electrodes. Instead of wrapping the electrodes around the patient's remaining nerves, they surgically pierce them. We're gonna show a gnarly surgical photo right now. You okay? When blindfolded, the patients could tell when the researchers touched their big toe and heel. They could even tell how much of their knee had been flexed. So now, the patients don't need to think about it when they're walking around. They just walk, which is also less mentally taxing. A lot of exciting work has come out of the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. I mean, after all, they're also the ones behind artificial skin. Next, the researchers hope to conduct a longer study with more patients. The tech could soon improve the lives of the millions of people who have suffered an amputation. Other than being a slimy devil, the northern clingfish sucks, and it's really good at it. The clingfish is really good at clinging to rough and slimy surfaces. It can hold up to 230 times its own weight. So researchers from the University of Washington used it to build a better suction cup. According to the researchers, the new prototypes are even stronger than their natural counterpart and could be used in applications that require a strong but reversible sticking force on rough or textured surfaces. I thought they were talking about large and awkward manufacturing materials. Nope, they were talking about whales. Tagging whales. Oh, and shower caddies. I mean, really, those aren't a pain though, they're falling all the time. Clingfish have a disc on their bellies that helps them to hold on. The rim of the disc is covered with very small hair-like structures that creates more friction along the rim and helps the fish stick to rough surfaces. The entire disc is flexible and elastic, which helps them adapt and hold to coarse, uneven surfaces. The team has spent 5 years building a better sucker. They found that combining different materials helped give the artificial suction cups a rigid structure that was strong enough to hold tension, while also soft and flexible enough to conform and stick to rough surfaces. They also found a way to increase the friction on the rim of the cup. Now, they want to take the next step. They have a prototype, but now they need an engineer. That's you guys, who can further develop the design for specific applications in mind. Get on it! Kinda sounds like a winner. This week, Hyundai threw its hat into the flying car ring. You know what? With all the players and collaborations, I mean, someone's gotta get it right, right? The Hyundai Motor Group's big move was that it hired Dr. Jaewon Shin as Executive Vice President and head of the new Urban Air Mobility Division. Shin previously led aviation research and development at NASA, so it's a big get. He was there for about 30 years and was behind projects like the supersonic X-plane and urban air mobility. According to Hyundai, the new division will develop core technologies and innovative solutions for safe and efficient airborne travel. And why not? The market is supposed to be worth $1.5 trillion within the next 20 years. While we've seen flying cars that look like everything from a flying DeLorean to a giant quadcopter and various transitional aircraft, Hyundai's concept will likely be described as serviceable and adequate. Hey, as long as it's reliable and safe. I mean, one of these companies has to get it. Or maybe we'll just see a new documentary pop up. Who killed the flying car? And we'll find out that they actually figured it out in the 90s. Good luck, Shin. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.